Guess what, guys? We're bringing back the Cleanish challenge. So this year for our Cleanish challenge, we will be tackling my cousin's house. We're going room by room in her house and getting it organized. So come along with us on our journey to getting her space organized and redesigned in 30 days. We're gonna start off the Cleanish challenge by tackling her living room. We're going to go in, repaint the space. We're gonna give it a gray color, which is going to just brighten up the space and give her a new look. And then we're going to do something with her entryway. Then we're gonna go into her coat closet, get that organized. So make sure to watch to the end and let me know what you think of her space. Good morning, everyone. So we are in the Payne's living room today, and we are going to start by moving all the furniture, moving all this stuff, getting things prepped so we could go ahead and start painting. So we have already painted the trims, and then we're about to start rolling the paint, and then we are going to head up the stairs and paint the stairs next, and I think we'll be done with the space, and then we'll start moving the furniture and getting everything installed in here. When designing the Payne's entryway, I wanted to give them something that was very functional but also well designed. So I am painting this wall half white at the bottom and gray at the top so that I can create an area for them to put their coats. All right, guys, so I have painted this off. I did white at the bottom, gray at the top, and I'm about to get ready to add the board and batten on here. So I'm going to put a thicker piece and then a few thin pieces of wood here. So I'm going to take this styrofoam thing to create a stencil so I can know where to cut this wood piece so that when I cut, this is going to be a perfect cut at the angle that it needs to be. Using the vertical piece of wood, I am measuring the height so I can know exactly where to cut that stencil. Now that all my pieces are cut, I am using liquid nails and a few finishing nails to adhere the boards to the wall. And then I'm going to have my cousin help me measure out the distance between each panel so that I can go ahead and get those glued and added to the wall and get this board and batten finished. Alright guys, so we're about to get ready to put the final touches on the Payne space. I am about to do a few DIYs. I grabbed this here wicker basket from the thrift store, and I'm going to spray paint that black just so it can blend in with the house and not stand out so much. So I'm gonna spray paint this. Then I also got this cute little like key holder, but we are going to take this off, spray it a black color, and I might do the trim a gold. I'm going to see, but we're gonna spray that, and then that's gonna go in the paint house as well. And then let me just turn the camera around so you can see the whole thing. This right here is their current coffee table. I want to sand this down, spray it white, and then put like a marble top on here just so it can go with the gray vibes. I didn't want too much of this brown in here, so we are going to fix that up as well. While my pieces are drying, I am moving the furniture back in place and getting ready to hang the curtains and get the last finishing touches put in the space. I also grabbed this shoe rack and a couple of bins to help organize the coat closet, as well as these baskets from Target to help them store their shoes. I grabbed this mirror from Walmart and also grabbed these hooks from Target in a set of 2 for only $3. So guys, what did you think about that space? I know the Paynes have been loving their new living room, especially that paint color. It has brightened up the space so much. And then that entryway, guys, I know that Devonna is loving that because now she can have her husband hang his coat in the front entry, his shoes, his wallet, keys can all be dropped off in the front as soon as he walks into the door, as well as the coat closet. Now we have it organized where they can now put all their winter coats, shoes, and I also created storage up top where they can add their board games for family night, as well as some workout equipment in there as well. So I know that this has been functioning so much better for the Paynes and that they have been loving this new transformation so far. And if you like what you see, make sure to join the Cleanish challenge. If you have not yet joined the Cleanish challenge, head to my website. The link is in the bio to go ahead and sign up today. Also, every Monday we'll be launching a new video dedicated to a certain area in the house that we will be organizing for the week. So please make sure to hit that subscription button and that notification bell because I don't want you to miss out on next week's video as we move into the kitchen where I'll go ahead and make over that space and get it organized as well. And follow me on Instagram so that you can see the progress of this space and get daily tips and tricks on how to organize your house in the process. I'll see you then. Bye.